Bitcoin weekly update. It is April 5th, 2026. I'm going to do a top-down analysis of Bitcoin starting with the monthly time frame. We have a rising price in action, then a dip in the price action here from November, December, January, February, March. Now we're starting with April. April is starting a little green right now for the monthly time frame. But you can see March was just very compressed, which means compressed means there's going to be a big move most likely in the next month. Like here, this was very compressed. This was very compressed. This was very compressed. This was very compressed. So this might be a beginning of a move for April. So we keep an eye on that. Let's go to a weekly time frame. Right now we're just going sideways, pretty much sideways above the 200 MA. If this price action stays above the 200 MA, this will be a good rocket ship back up to the upside. If it can stay above the 200 MA, that is a big if. We've still got this liquidity right here, down here at 60K, and another one here at 62.5. So we'll see how that goes from here on out. On the daily time frame, zoom in a little bit more. We got price action that went below the 200 MA, so the 200 MA is really turning to the downside. Price action is going to the downside as well too. So we still have price action that went across this area of interest right here. You see a lot of activity coming around in this area. Right here is now stuck at this part where there's a lot of activity at this part as well too, especially here. So this is a pivotal time. If it can push above it, that'll be a good catalyst that might turn this resistance here into a support level where it bounces and then bounces up to the upside. If not, if it can't get past this space, this resistance, then it'll keep on going down to 48K, 49K. Go down to 1 hour. Sideways action, dropped suddenly, big drop, rebounded a little bit, and now we got a little higher lows, but we're still going sideways action. This yellow 200 MA is just going up and down until we get a sharp movement, maybe a manipulation and then a distribution, or manipulation and distribution to the downside. So it can be up or down, either way. Let's see how it looks with the trend lines attached for under 1 hour. So sideways action as before, but you have all these connecting highs for this action line, and then you have these connecting lows for the safety lines. And like as you can see, prices is going sideways within this triangle right here, getting narrower. So I'm waiting for it to do some big movements in this area right now, and I think that's going to happen just because all these vertical lines are actually reflective of up here, which is the news. You have a lot of reds, which are red folders, a lot of activities that are probably going to happen within this period of this week, especially it being the second week of the month. So I expect a pump, retracing probably up here, or a dump, retest to the downside. But I think especially that there's going to be some type of a liquidity move coming up. So we have to wait. Right now, as of right now, price action pumped above the 1 hour action line, pumped above it. Let's see if it can remain above it, going sideways and bouncing back up to the upside. When all these news gets released, that would be definitely a way of catalyzing to the upside. So overall, I'm neutral. I don't know which way it's going to go. It's going to have to prove to me which way it goes above this action line or below this safety line before I take action. And that's going to be the summary for the weekly update for Bitcoin.